Hey there! Ever tried updating your Xiaomi phone only to find the MIUI version or the updater app refusing to cooperate? No worries, I've got your back. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to fix this issue. So, let's jump right into it without wasting any time. Solution 1. Clear data of Updater app. First, open Settings on your phone. Then, scroll down and find Apps. Tap on it. Next, select Manage Apps. After that, tap the three-dot icon and choose Show All Apps. Now, in the search bar, type in Updater. Then, tap on Updater from the search results. Next, hit the Clear Data button at the bottom of the screen. Select Clear All Data. Then tap OK. Finally, check if the issue is resolved. Solution 2. Turn off developer options. Open the Settings app again. Scroll down and find Additional Settings. Next, scroll a bit and tap on Developer Options. Now, simply toggle it off. Check to see if that fixed the issue for you. Solution 3. Factory reset your device. Open Settings once more. Tap on About Phone. Scroll down and tap on Factory Reset. Tap Erase All Data. Enter your password or PIN if prompted. Tap Next. Then, tap the Factory Reset button and follow the on-screen prompts to reset your device. Once done, the issue should be resolved. And there you have it. That's how you can resolve the issue of the Updater app or MIUI versions not opening on Xiaomi phones. If this video helped you out, don't forget to smash that like button. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching!